Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to a new video. This video we are going to be doing some more troubleshooting, and this one is a deployment issue that we are having over here. So we need to go ahead and fix it. Again, I'm trying to go for the CKA exam. If you are also trying to go for the CKA exam, leave a comment on the description below. So here we go, troubleshooting again. Let's see how this one goes. So for this question, please set the context to this. Of course I will. So the template, the Postgres deployment.yaml template is there. Now we can't create object due to some issues in that. Check and fix the issue. Well, first let's go ahead and run this and see what it tells me, right? Postgres deployment. Oh, it was created. Okay, that was created. Whoa. Okay, get pod, are they running? Container now running. Okay, that was cool. Okay, describe pod Postgres. So there's an error over here. Error secret Postgres not found. So that's right here. You can see right here they probably spell it wrong, but let's go ahead and go to the tab. Okay, get secret. And yeah, they did spell that wrong. All right, so that was spelled incorrectly. I also want to do a describe secrets and Postgres secrets. I want to take a look at this. We have a username and a password. Of course, you cannot see the username or the password, but yeah, we have the name. So we got to fix that name. How do we do that? We're going to have to edit the deployment. So edit deployment. Postgres deployment. So let's see how they spell this incorrectly over here. I think it's right here. So this one needs to be secret, Postgres secret. There we go, like that. And I also see right here that the key that they're referring to is DB user, DB password, but I think it needs to be password and username. But let's see what else we get. Yeah, that has to be fixed too. But let's go ahead and just save this. And let's go ahead and say describe the pod. Clear. Okay. Get pod. Error. There's an error. So we're going to have to go instead of the old one, right? Because the old one is still using the old configuration. We're going to have to use this new one over here. No, this guy over here that was created 13 seconds ago. See what other errors we get over here. And there we go. Yeah, right here. Error, cannot find the key DB user in secret. In the secret Postgres secret. That's because it needs to be password and username. I knew that. I should have done that before. Let's go ahead and edit this one more time. Scroll down. So I think it was, what was it, for the Postgres user, this one needs to be username, and for the password it just needs to be password instead of DB password. Yeah, password. All right, that should do it, guys. Let's see. Save this. Okay, get pod. Now you can see it running, and you can see that it's terminating the old one, and now it's going to be running with the latest and greatest, and it is running. We can do describe pod Postgres, and you can see right here everything is up and running, looking good. You can see that it's setting the key value by the Postgres secret, looking good, guys. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. A little bit of troubleshooting on deployment and also the secrets object, right? So basically the secret object, what it does is instead of you adding like an environment variable straight into this YAML file or straight into this pod where everybody can see the username and password, what you could do is you can create a secret object and attach it to the deployment or a pod, so then it could be encrypted and nobody can see that, right? So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Like always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.